Cafe, and this is another quick video on how you can set up a custom date workflow. So, in the recent time, I've seen a lot of requests regarding this in the Go High Level group, so I thought of creating one myself. So, basically, how you will start that you will have whatever trigger for your workflow. It can be form submission, it can be a tag, it can be an appointment book, or anything, whatever is that. After that, obviously, you're going to have your normal workflow steps. It can be pipeline, add tag, event, blah, blah, blah. But I'll jump straight to the main action step, which is event set event start date. So with this workflow, you can add specific dates. Those can be custom fields, those can be any specific day or date of a month or anything like that. And then this workflow will make sure that the lead which is at this action step, it runs on that specific day at that specific time. So if when you will choose the action step event start date, the first thing you will have to do is select type. So these are three different types. I'll go through all of them one by one. Custom field is basically for any kind of custom date field that you have on your high level account. It can be date of birth, maybe it can be some kind of coupon date, it can be privacy policy date, or it can be anything like that, maybe 1 year anniversary, who knows. So whatever that date is, you will basically go ahead and select that date from here. So now let's say for this example it is date of birth. We will choose date of birth, and then we will save the action step. After that, what a lot of people make mistakes is they don't add a wait step. This is a necessary wait step. The lead will not go to this action step and wait here. It will get the date, like it will get the instruction on which date to run on, but obviously you will need a wait step to stop the lead until that specific date. So what you will have to do is select a wait step, and from here where it says wait for, you will select the option event slash appointment time. And now you can go ahead here and you can add before or after time. So let's say that you want to send out SMS for this example, for the custom field example. Let's say you want to send out SMS to the leads 2 days before their birthday. So what we're gonna do? We're going until we will choose before, we will add 2 days, and we will save the action step, and then we can go ahead and send an SMS saying your birthday is in 2 days, is in 2 days. Happy birthday in advance. You get my point, what I'm trying to do, right? So it will be like this. And then, in order to create a loop for it, all you have to do is basically go back here, go to, hit action, and then put it back here. So that's all. So now this go to step will basically make it, once the lead is done here, it will go back here, it will go to go to step, it will go back to our first action step, which is set event date time, and then it will go again to the wait step, and it will once again wait for 2 days before the birthday. So that's how you can run it every single year, and you can run it in loop for all of your leads. Now, like I said, the trigger can be anything. It can be your form, it can be your maybe calendar form, it can be a tag, it can be some specific action, it can be opportunity pipeline stage change, it can be anything. So it doesn't matter what it is, all you have to do is use these two steps combinedly. So it is very important. If you do not use this wait step, it will not work. Now let's go to the second type, which is here, which is specific date and time. Now here you can come and you can choose specific date and times for it. So let's say you have some kind of webinar or online workshop shop coming up this following week. So it can be 15th of, let's say, 15th of July, and on 15th of July at 12 p.m. you have a workshop coming up. So what are you going to do? You will select that specific date, you will hit save, and then once again under wait for, instead of days, most of the people would do like to do send the reminders some hours before the workshop. So we can add 3, then we can hit save action step, and that's done. Now it will work the same way. So now on this specific date, 15th of July 2024 at 12 p.m., this wait step will make the SMS sent to the leads 3 hours before 12 p.m. So this is our action step. Our event is on 15th of July, 12 p.m. Under wait step, we will add how many hours before or how many hours after, vice versa for days and minutes, do we want to send the SMS for. And now here we will have selected the option 3 hours before this selected time, which is 12 p.m. on 15th of July, and then SMS. We can go ahead and change that. Our workshop is starting in 3 hours. Workshop is starting in 3 hours, and that's it. You know, and now this action step will work according to that. After that, this is how you use specific date and time. After that, you can also choose specific day. Now this means either you can choose current day of the month, you can choose any specific date of the month, like first of every month, maybe 7th of every month, maybe 15th of every month, or you can choose a specific day of the week, which can be every Sunday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Friday, whatever you choose. Now let's say I have a recurring call that goes throughout the year at on Tuesday at 9 p.m. Let's say I will hit the action step. I will go to the wait step. Once again, everything will be the same. Wait for will be event appointment time. Now, when it comes to before, I can go here and I can add specific times once again. Let's say 2 hours, maybe 1 hour. Save the action, then go ahead and update the SMS accordingly. Our meeting is starting in 1 hour, and then hit save. And after that, I will have this go to, and then this go to will make sure that every Tuesday, what was the time? Every Tuesday, 1 hour before 9 p.m., this SMS should be sent out, which is our meeting is starting in 1 hour. And that's basically how you can set up the set event start time action step in your workflow. You can choose all these three options for different purposes. You can choose the option of custom field for date of birth, maybe for coupon code expiration, for anniversaries, for anything, for privacy policy date. Then under specific date and time, you can choose a specific time on a specific day only. And after that, you can use specific day, which can be every first of the month, every 15th, every 22nd, or every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, whatever it is that works for you. And then using this go to step, you can create an indefinite loop, which will make sure that it runs every week or every month or every year, depending on what you have chosen under type here. So that's how you can set up these custom date action steps in your workflow. Another thing that you might ask me that, hey, what if we want to send the multiple reminders? So let's say here we have chosen the day of every Tuesday at 9 p.m., and here under wait step we tell them that 1 hour before 9 p.m. send them this SMS. Now let's say you want to send another SMS 15 minutes before the appointment. So how you can do that? Well, there are two ways of doing it. Either you run these two steps once again and changing the time there, which would be the time on the wait step, or you can use the wait step, but here instead of choosing event slash appointment, you just add time delay. So here at this step, we were sending an SMS 1 hour before 9 p.m., which is 8 p.m. Now, what if we want to send it at 8:45? We will come here, we will add a wait step, time delay 45 minutes, and automatically now the come here, copy the action step, paste it here. Now automatically this SMS is going out 1 hour before 8 p.m. and this SMS is 1 hour before 9 p.m. and this SMS is going 45 minutes after this SMS. So what does it mean? It means 8:45. So that's an easy way of setting up multiple reminders for custom dates. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, then feel free to let me know down in the comments, or you can send me a DM and I will try my best to help you out regarding anything. you might be struggling with on Go High Level. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.